Understanding Up to Tempo, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, up to tempo. This phrase might sound musical, and you're right if you think so. We'll explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday English. So, let's get started and master this phrase together. The phrase, up to tempo, is primarily used in musical contexts. It means performing a piece of music at the correct speed or pace, as the composer intended. For instance, when a musician or an orchestra plays a piece as fast or as slow as it's supposed to be played, they are playing it up to tempo. Interestingly, up to tempo has found its way into everyday language. When used outside of music, it means reaching the desired or required pace in any activity or process. For example, if someone is recovering from an illness and gradually returning to their normal routine, we might say they are getting up to tempo. Let's see how up to tempo is used in sentences. 1. Musical context. The pianist finally got the piece up to tempo during rehearsal. 2. Everyday use. After a week of training, I'm finally getting my running up to tempo. These examples help illustrate how the phrase can cross over from a specific musical setting to more general use. A common misunderstanding about up to tempo is confusing it with simply doing something quickly. Remember, it's not just about speed. It's about reaching the appropriate or intended speed. Whether in music or life, it's about finding the right pace. I hope this video has been enlightening and helps you understand and use the phrase, up to tempo, correctly. Whether you're discussing a musical piece or talking about life's various rhythms, this phrase can add a melodic touch to your English. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice using up to tempo in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.